Hi, Unbox Nova here. Here we have Nosferatu on 4K Steelbook. It has Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos. The aspect ratio is 166 to make it look like an old movie. Runtime is 2 hours and 12 minutes. So let's open it up. Limited edition Steelbook. Let's see, some glue there. There we go. Some kind of matte finish. Spine, Nosferatu focus, universal. Backside. Got a loose disc, of course, as usual. 4K disc. And blu-ray disc, different artwork. Inside, it's kind of dark. The whole thing. Yes, there we have Nosferatu on 4K Steelbook. If you're into collecting physical media, please subscribe. And don't forget to like the video. See you in the next one. So, bye bye till then.